Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do a triple box stitch that I designed for a cowl that I did with bulky yarn. As you can see, you have these little X's here that are kind of like the double crochet cross stitch. So these are more like a triple crochet cross stitch, but they create a little box here, as you can see. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this triple crochet box stitch that I used in my bulky boxy cowl, as I'm calling it. Okay, let's get started on our triple crochet box stitch. And what I like to do is I like to make a foundation of just your triple crochet stitches. So I'm going to do that, and then we are going to make these box stitches here. So what we are going to do, we are going to chain 15 because you are going to make an even amount of triple crochets across. So let's chain 15. $12, $13, $14, $15. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to make a triple crochet in our 5th chain from our hook. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to yarn over twice and go into that 5th chain. So insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, I'll show you one more, and then we're just going to go ahead and do that across a row. So you yarn over twice, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, so we're just going to make those all the way across. And then this is just giving us a foundation row to keep our triple crochet box stitches in a nice even stitch. Okay, I got 2 more here. And the last one. Okay, so we are going to end up with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 triple crochets, because the chain 4 down here will count as a triple crochet. So next we're going to chain 4. We're going to turn our work. We're going to yarn over twice and then we are going to triple crochet in that next stitch. Okay, so that gives us a nice even start to our row. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to start our box stitch. Okay, so we are going to skip the next 2 triple crochets, and then we are going to triple crochet in that next stitch. Okay, then we're going to make another triple crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so there you see our 2 skip stitches, and now this is where we create our box stitch or our crossover stitch. So what we're going to do is we are going to triple crochet in that first skip stitch there. So you're going to yarn over twice, go across these triple crochets that you just made, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull the last 2. Okay, and then you're going to make a triple crochet in that second stitch that you skipped. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through last 2. And this right here is what creates our triple crochet box stitch or our triple crochet crossover, because we are actually crossing over those double crochets that we made. So I'm going to show you how to do this one more time. So we're yarn over twice. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and be sure you don't go into that one, because you can kind of not see it there. So you're going to make sure you go into that, skip those next 2 stitches, and go into that next stitch with a triple crochet. Okay, so we're going to make another triple crochet in that next stitch. And now we are going to go back to or cross over the triple crochets we just made. So you are going to triple crochet in that first skip stitch here. So you're going to yarn over twice, go across these 2 that you just made, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. And then we are going to make another triple in that second skip stitch by crossing over those 2 triples that we made. So there we are, and we have made our second triple box stitch. Okay, so now we're just going to triple crochet in the last 2 stitches, and then I'm going to show you one more time. We're just going to turn our work and start another one on the other side so you can see what it looks like on the back. Okay, so you're going to chain 4, turn your work, yarn over twice, and put a triple crochet in that next stitch. Okay, and this is where we are going to do the start of our box stitch. So again, we're going to skip the first 2 and then triple crochet in that next triple crochet, and then we're going to make another triple crochet in that next stitch, and this is where we are going to cross over and make our box stitch here. So yarn over twice, go into that first skip stitch, do a triple crochet, and then we're going to finish up our box stitch here. So we're going to triple crochet in that second skip stitch. Okay, and there you have your next box stitch. And as you can see, it stacks up right onto the triple crochet box stitch from the previous row. And as you can see, the edges of your box will be going one way on the first row and then slanted another way, the other way on the second row. Okay, so let's do one more. So we are going to skip the next 2 stitches, triple crochet in that next stitch, sorry about that. So skip 2, triple crochet in that next one, and then you're going to do another triple crochet in that next stitch. Okay, and this is where we are going to complete our box stitch by crossing over the 2 triples that we just made. So you're going to go into that first skip stitch, make your triple, and then you are going to cross over again and make a triple in that second skip stitch. Okay, and there you have your second box stitch. And again, you can see your first row is going to the left, your second row is going to the right, and it's going to happen all the way across. And this is a left-handed video tutorial, so that's why your slants are going to go that way. So we're just going to finish this row off by triple crocheting in the last 2 stitches. Okay, and there you have your triple crochet box stitches, or your triple crochet crossover stitches. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate if you would like, or put a comment in the section and let me know what you thought about it. And please watch some other videos that I have done. If you'd like to see any particular stitch done, please comment in the section below. Thank you for joining me.